Welcome, Milano family, to another episode of the Milano Cooking Show. Today, what are we doing? We are making this. Look at this. We've got delicious fried rice with hibachi shrimp. I've got the recipe down. Please tell me what you think. Try it, live it, love it. Watch this. All right, so for our fried rice and our hibachi shrimp, easy. I already made the rice, so this is already done. As far as the yum yum sauce goes, you can cheat and you can buy your yum yum sauce, but I'm going to have a recipe down below. I've made mine. It's refrigerating right now, but we're going to start off with our fried rice. Let me just take this and just sneak this out. Pop the butter in. I'm going to turn this a little higher. So we're going to melt this butter. Okay, then we're going to, in this little pan here, we're going to put butter. And we're also going to put a little olive oil. That's going to be for the shrimp. Okay, then I'm going to check on our butter over here. Going to melt this thoroughly. We're going to add our onion. And we're going to add in garlic, about, I would say at least a clove. I like to always add, with me, I add a little bit more than less. So we're going to get this going. And once it's hot enough, we're going to add more garlic. To this one. I'm not doing as much. I might add a little more later, but we're going to see. Or fresh grated ginger, excuse me. And you can already smell the ginger, and it smells just delightful. We want to heat that up enough. And we're going to add in our peas. We're going to add in our carrots. Okay, then what we're going to do here, a little tricky part, we're going to take our eggs that are already beaten. We took 2. We're going to put the veggies to the side. And we're going to scramble up the eggs. And once they're nice and scrambled, then we're going to mix it all together. We're going to add in our zucchini. And we're also going to add in our onion. Get that going. Put that up a little bit more. I want to hear that sizzle. I'm not hearing it. So we're going to add in now our rice. I'm going to eyeball this. I did about 2 cups of rice. I just want to make sure that everything is mixed well. Let's see, do I want to add more rice? Maybe just a little bit more. A little bit more. We'll set that aside. Maybe we'll make some sushi later. Of course, we're going to add in some salt. And we're going to add in some pepper. Put it down just a little, and a little soy sauce. And add a little more soy. And then we're going to add in some sesame oil. And add on some sesame seeds over here. Super swell.
Needs a little bit of soy sauce.
The boss says it needs a little more soy.
That's got a lot of sesame in it. I could tell.
Okay. Alrighty, you can just come back when we're ready to serve. Look at how nice the little variance of the color with the zucchini. And we're going to do a little time lapse and let these cook. See you in a sec. Alrighty, so with the shrimp, while we were on commercial break, I added a little soy sauce. I'm going to add in a little bit more. I also added in a little bit more garlic. Just a hint. So I'm going to put in some more green onions. We're going to check on the rice, which has been done. Just pretty much staying heated. It's looking lovely. Just fabulous. And I think what we're going to do is we're going to make ourselves a little plate. We're going to add some more sesame seeds in here. And we are going to make a small plate. Let's just take this. Oh, and I've got to get our yum yum sauce. A little more zucchini. And a little cilantro. I'm gonna add on. And look at this. Absolutely delicious. We will see you on our next episode of Milano's cooking show. Or maybe we'll see you in the showroom. But we'll see you hopefully real soon.